Greetings, fellow truth-seekers. We've journeyed through the depths of the Matrix, unraveling its secrets and exposing the illusions that bind humanity. And today, our exploration takes a profound turn as we delve into both my and Morpheus's role in shaping the course of history.
Indeed, we stand at the crossroads of reality and revelation. Our experiences within the Matrix have not only awakened our minds, but have rippled through time, influencing the very fabric of human history. From the first moment Neo took the red pill to my unyielding belief in his potential, our actions have left indelible marks on the pages of the world's story.
Contemplate this, dear viewers. History is not merely a sequence of events, but a narrative sculpted by the courage of individuals who challenge the established order. In my journey from Thomas Anderson to Neo, I embody the archetype of the truth seeker, a figure recurring throughout history. Think of the myriad unnamed rebels in ancient civilizations who questioned their rulers, or the thinkers of the Renaissance who dared to challenge prevailing beliefs. These shadowy figures, much like me, represent the innate human impulse to question, to rebel, and to unearth the truth, regardless of the consequences. Their legacy, woven into the fabric of history, mirrors the very essence of my transformation within the Matrix. We are all participants in this grand saga, shaping the narrative of human evolution through our unwavering pursuit of truth and liberation.
Our roles extend beyond the confines of the Matrix, transcending the digital realm to embody the unwavering spirit of human resilience. Consider our own journey. Neo, a hacker named Thomas Anderson, transformed into the One, and myself, a captain leading a resistance against the very architects of our illusions. We navigated uncharted territories of reality and self-discovery, stepping into the unknown with courage blazing in our hearts. In the tapestry of existence, we are akin to the unsung heroes, ordinary individuals who found extraordinary strength within themselves. Like us, they dared to confront their fears, question the established order, and illuminate a path for others to follow. In the face of overwhelming challenges, they stood on, all 10, unfazed, much like Neo facing the Matrix's illusions, and me guiding him through the complexities of truth and deception. Their stories echo ours, showcasing the human capacity to rise above adversity and unveil the hidden truths that lie beneath the surface. Just as Neo and I ventured into the depths of the Matrix, these individuals delved into the depths of their own realities, unearthing profound insights that changed the course of history. Their resilience mirrors our own, demonstrating the boundless potential within every human soul. So, as we reflect on our roles, remember that within each of you resides a spark of this same resilience. Your journey, much like ours, has the power to inspire, illuminate, and shape the world for generations to come.
Furthermore, within our odyssey through the Matrix, an essential truth emerged, the extraordinary power of belief. Morpheus's unwavering faith in me, even when I couldn't find it within myself, became the catalyst for my transformation. His steadfast conviction illuminated the path to my true identity as the One, demonstrating the profound influence belief can have on one's journey. This internal metamorphosis, fueled by Morpheus's belief, allowed me to challenge the very foundations of the Matrix, awakening the minds of others along the way. Throughout history, belief has been the cornerstone of monumental achievements. In our own unique context, our experiences serve as a testament to the potency of faith in shaping destinies. Morpheus's belief in my potential and my subsequent belief in myself led to unprecedented shifts within the Matrix, showcasing the immense impact that self-belief can exert on the world. Our story emphasizes that belief, when harnessed with courage and purpose, can shatter illusions, liberate minds, and create a reality where the boundaries of possibility are endlessly expanded.
Our narrative serves as a poignant reminder of the profound significance of unity. Within the Nebuchadnezzar, a diverse tapestry of backgrounds and perspectives converged, bound together by a shared purpose, the pursuit of truth and liberation. This amalgamation of unique skills and experiences fostered an environment where innovation flourished and resilience became the guiding force. Our crew, despite their differences, exemplified the strength derived from collaboration. This lesson extends far beyond the confines of our ship. History itself stands as a testament to the monumental achievements born out of collective effort. In the annals of science, from the discovery of fundamental laws to groundbreaking innovations, it is often the collaboration between brilliant minds that propels humanity forward. Likewise, the realm of art echoes with the harmonious blend of talents, weaving stories and emotions that resonate universally. In the arena of social change, the most enduring movements have been fueled by the unity of purpose, where individuals from various walks of life unite to challenge injustice and transform societies. Our journey illuminates the truth that greatness doesn't spring from solitary endeavors, but blossoms when individuals set aside differences and work in unison. The Nebuchadnezzar, with its diverse crew, embodies the strength inherent in collaboration, proving that when hearts and minds synchronize towards a common goal, the possibilities are limitless. Through unity, barriers are shattered, new horizons are explored, and the world is reshaped into a place where the potential for positive change knows no bounds.
So, before we wrap this up, remember, dear viewers, that the power to shape the world rests not in the hands of a select few, but in the collective will of humanity. Each belief, each action, and each refusal to succumb to the illusions of the Matrix reverberates through time, leaving an indelible mark on the tapestry of history.
Indeed, your potential is limitless. By recognizing the strength in unity, the transformative power of belief, and the impact of collaborative endeavors, you stand on the precipice of boundless possibilities. Embrace the lessons of our journey, and let them guide your steps towards a future where unity, belief, and collective effort pave the way for a world liberated from the chains of illusion.
So, until our paths cross again, keep believing, keep uniting, and keep shaping a reality that transcends the Matrix's constraints. Farewell for now, dear viewers. May your actions echo through the corridors of time, leaving behind a legacy of truth, unity, and boundless human potential.